I'm going to show you how to create a basic snowman using some shapes and also learning how to use layers inside of Photoshop Elements. So first thing let's do is just go to File, New, and do a blank file, and I'm just going to type in 5 inches by 5 inches and set my resolution to maybe just 200 for this, and then just go ahead and click OK. So first thing I want to do is use maybe the paint bucket tool to just color in this area with the color. So to use color on here, there's a paint bucket down here. If you just click on that, and then down here at the bottom you have some basic colors. So if I just click on that first one, the foreground, and then maybe I'll just choose kind of a blue. So you choose blue and then just kind of come over and choose the shade of blue. Click OK. Once you do that, then mouse click and that will apply that color in there. If you decide you don't like that, all you need to do is just come back down and click back in that to get into the colors, and then go ahead and change the color. Click OK, and then you have to mouse click again to reapply that, so it doesn't automatically do it. You have to actually use the tool to put it in there. So I've got my background. Now I'm going to throw out some layers. I'm just going to make a simple snowman. So to grab the snowman or to create those, there's a rectangle tool down here, and if you click and hold down that, there's some different shapes in there. So I'm just going to maybe go down to the ellipse tool. So click, hold, and go to the ellipse tool. And as soon as I do that, probably the first thing I should do is come up and change the color so I don't get the same color on top of my background. So I can either come up here to do that, or once again, if you like coming down here, you can choose that and click OK on there. But either one of those will work. And then I'll go ahead and just click, hold, and drag to make my little snowman, and that will place it where I want to go. If I want to move it, you're going to want to use this move tool. You can move that around to where you want it to go. When I want to do another shape, same type of thing, grab that tool and just kind of click and drag to make a shape. Grab the move tool, move it on top of there, and then just kind of repeat that until you get your little snowman. Click OK, and then put that on there. Now one thing that has happened when we do that, we have some different shape layers over here. So it's always important to kind of know what layer you're on. I would even maybe double click to name these layers so that it's easy to find them later on. Okay, so you can either click over here and then use the move tool if you needed to, or you can also click on them directly to move those around. So that's just a couple simple steps to creating a snowman.